For this series, we will be upgrading my MSI Modern 15 laptop from 16GB into 32GB. So we'll be using the crucial DDR4 3200 RAM speed. So this is a sealed memory, yep, sealed memory, which I bought online, 16 gigabit. And now we'll check. So for this one, we'll be just removing the screws. So this is still factory sealed. So there's a hole here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 screw that you need to undo to access the laptop. So make sure you have good quality screw to avoid. I'm using this tactics. So just remove the screw. Make sure to put it somewhere safe. So make sure also check the length of each screw, as there might be. Okay, so that's it. And for the factory seal, there's a lock here. So yeah, that's the warranty. So this laptop has been with me for almost 3 years already. And now the moment of truth is to break the seal. And make sure you're using the proper, just to leverage. Okay, so we'll just check this. Okay, so you just need to undo the cover. Slowly. Oops. Ooh. Okay. And now, whoa. So here's the PC parts. Currently, hopefully this is the one. So we have one RAM installed here, and the other one slot is here. So, and also there's a SSD and also another. So you can install here another NVMe. So luckily we opened this up, then we'll open the RAM module. So for the RAM module, there's just open, then now you just sit it like that and clip. That's it. That's how you install the RAM module. But before that, I need to clean the PC. As you can see, there are already dust on the fans. So wait. So just need a cleaning brush. Slight brush. Also here, there's a dust. So as you can see, there are a lot of modules in the PC, but that's not one of our topics here. So we'll just install back the plates. and make sure everything fits. And now fits, and we can install back the screw. Okay, so let's continue and we'll check.